Hey, if you're looking for turning or milling or screw machining in the Kentucky area, then TEK is the place for you. So making accurate parts is obviously what we do, but it's the way we do that that makes us different. It's how much care we place into these parts to make sure your customers that you're selling to are taken care of. Because we care about the part we're making, because we care about you. Hey there, my name's Mike Fritz from TEK Machining. We specialize in turning parts, milling parts, and the Swiss screw machine. And if you're looking to have parts made all the way up to $1 million a year, to a prototype, we're your people. So it doesn't matter if you're talking about a brass part on a lathe, or you're talking about a valve housing on a mill, or you're talking about a little part in a gas valve on our Swiss screw machine, or it doesn't matter if you're talking about a bushing made on a lathe with a 0.5 tolerance, that's what we do. One of the power of TEK Machining is our quality control guy has been here for 3 decades. The same person has been making sure our parts, before they go out the door and hit your floor, that they're right on point. So we don't get parts back. Your parts, when they're on our floor, we treat them like your parts. So when they hit your floor, they're exactly what you're looking for. So when you want us to make a part for you, the first thing you do is you send us a design. You send us some sort of design of what kind of part you need made, and we'll first tell you if we can make that with the machining and the equipment we have on the floor. If we can make that part inside of the tolerances you want, we'll get a request for quote from you. We'll shoot you out a quote at how many pieces you're looking to make. The power of TEK is we can make one part up to 1 million parts.
Please support us so we can make more videos to support American manufacturing. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks.